Hello everyone, welcome to the video, and today I'll be showing you an in-depth view of my new VR studio tour dash gaming setup tour. I'm mainly doing VR kind of Beat Saber content now, so I'm switching away from Fortnite and Valorant content to more so Beat Saber. So I know how I was just saying in a few videos ago how I was going to switch to about Valorant and keep doing Fortnite, but I did decide that I'm going to be doing some more VR content like Rec Room and especially Beat Saber. So keep an eye out for that, and if you like that content, make sure to subscribe and like. And thank you for 150 subscribers. We were just at 115 like 3 days ago. I can't believe how far we have come in just 3 days. Thank you everyone who's supporting the channel. I really appreciate you all. I've never been growing this fast, so I'm really happy. And it seems like you guys are really liking the Beat Saber content, and I love it too. So I can't wait to make more content that I love to make. I'm going to be doing another video discussing about why I'm switching away from Fortnite, but I'm not going to be really doing Fortnite content. That'll be another video, as I just said. So keep an eye out for that if you're interested in hearing about that stuff. But here is a new, in-depth view of my new and upgraded VR studio tour. Okay, so as we're walking into the room where my black shelf used to be, I now have this table with the science guy, a snow globe, and the Lincoln Memorial, and this kind of a drone thing, just like an old clock too. And up here I have changed a few things, so I have old notes and newer notes from all of the dogs I've had. So you have CC, Sadie, and then Ollie. And then CC is when I had Veronica's YT. Sadie is when I had Team Next Generation dash RDB Plays. And Ollie is when I have my new name, RDB the Tech Guy. So moving over towards this side of the room, we have Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild poster, laundry. You have an August calendar with monthly goals I haven't put up yet. Free the smiles, by the way. A motherboard, calculator motherboard, 30XIS, I believe, by Texas Instruments. So this is the main thing I've made changes to my PC. So it's still the same parts as my old one, except in a new case. It is the NZXT H510i case. It has metal back panel, metal front panel, and glass side panel. So technically we just took apart my old computer and put it together in this much cleaner looking one that matches my setup. We have one USB-A port, one USB-C port, and one headphone jack, 3.5mm, and one power button. We have two outtake fans instead of just one, so we have one coming out of this vent, and one coming out of that back vent. We have two intakes, both right here, not RGB. We tried to get the RGB to work with this case, but we didn't. So these two are intaking air, and these two are exhausting air. For the graphics card, we have the RTX 3090 Gigabyte Eagle OC. We have the T-Force Vulcan Z 16 gigabytes of RAM, good RAM, DDR4. We have a Cooler Master CPU cooler, two NZXT stock case fans. We have the cable management bar, iconic. We have a Western Digital 500 gigabyte WD Blue SN570. Then over here we have my Blue Yeti microphone, great microphone. That's what I use for the intro. We have two things of post-it notes and one pen, AirPods, headphones, and we have the Lenovo ThinkPad. So you've seen this in different videos. So I technically just plug in my headset right there, my VR headset. I'll show you that later, and I can have more Logitech mousepad and also Server Power mousepad, just to make it a little more thick. We have the glorious Model O- RGB mouse. Great mouse. The glide on this thing, super good. We have the HyperX Alloy Origins Core RGB spacebar though. Sounds really good. Also this key. Really good keyboard for the price, $89. We have just a generic Samsung monitor, generic Insignia monitor. You know, I'm gonna change that. I don't want to change my torch anymore. Next is the VR headset. I have the Oculus or Meta Quest 2. And the controllers. We have the headset, and we have a 10-foot black cable. I was gonna get a white one, but black is just kind of has some more contrast to it. 10 foot. That's where I plug it in the front of the hub over there. And I get tons of space. I can lay in my bed if I wanted to. We have my name, Ryan, and then we just have a few things over there. Now, in these drawers, they do have it sorted. I sorted the right side over there just a few minutes ago. So at the top of this drawer, get the Alloy Origins Core keyboard box, mousepad, remotes. I'm working on a new UI design, so let's work on that. We have candy, RGB light controller, water flavor. Down here, we have my old keyboard. Then we have this another power adapter for the dock, another remote, mousepad, Apple Watch Series 3 box. Apple Watch Series 5 box back there. We have boxes. Nothing in this one, but all we have here is the Blue Yeti box, and we have all this kind of stuff like awards. Underneath the desk, cable management sort of okay. Those wires being held up right there. That's just because how far that monitor is stretching. And underneath the PC on this side, I just sorted this section, so it looks really nice. These are pens, pencils. Here's another ThinkPad, so yes, I do have two. We have some double-sided tape measure, some scissors, library card, key. Then we have my new, and then this is not the technology drawer. This was the old technology drawer. So you have the rest of this, post-it notes, playing cards, why not? You have a whole stack of paper. Technology drawer. So this is the most filled. We have a Quest 2 USB-C cable. That was the cord. That was the 10-foot cable that we had in there. But I just decided to put the Quest 2 cable in here. I just labeled these really nicely. So this is a USB-A to USB-C cord. USB-C to USB micro, or micro USB. And then that's a 6-foot HDMI cable. We have some cables, some screwdrivers, and electrical tape, and an extra fan. We have audio microphone splitters, and then we have cable ties. This is a 1 to 2, so if your computer only has one, but your headphones require 2, use one of these. Old camera, SD cards, PS5 controller, 2 mics back there, and a Skull Candy headset. Good sound quality. Under here, back to school stuff, Here, I just kind of like scattered things. So it's like taking Taekwondo or, Fortnite journal, just random stuff under there. I'm planning on putting some RGB strip or like manleaf panels up there to kind of brighten up that wall. We still have the Fortnite poster right there. And we still have the counter that's still in the way. I gotta fix that. Okay, as you can see, that's much better. Oh, keep going. That's pretty much it for my setup tour, and I want to thank you all for 150 plus subscribers, and I'm going to make a 150 subscriber special as soon as I can, and if I get more, well, I'll make it a higher subscriber count. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next Beat Saber video. Peace.